Yo, what is up guys? Jay Filler here and welcome to another episode of building my ultimate gaming room. Gaming setup. I know. Ultimate setup for now. So yeah, as promised, I will show you all the things that I have here, all the things that I have on my setup. And by the way, after this intro, I will switch the camera because I don't have any vlogging lens, as I have now a 50mm lens, so it's not ideal for vlogging because my face and the things that I show you here cannot fit well on this screen. So yeah, I will switch my camera. Alright, there you go guys. Here's the point of view that I will be showing to you. Here you go, as you can see here. So first, let's start on my chair. This is a gaming chair. This is a budget gaming chair. My boss gave it to me last year on my birthday. I was really surprised for it, even though my aunts gave me a hint about it, but I was surprised that he gave me this one. I'm very thankful for him for giving me this one. The green color, it's not really my thing, but it works perfectly because it's a gift, you know. I'm thankful. I'm very thankful that I don't need to buy some expensive gaming chair. So let's go over here, and I have some boxes, random boxes. I have my HyperX Cloudflight headset over there box, Steel Series mousepad, a Seasonic focus power supply, my camera boxes. I have some power banks over here. I have some cup, the pens, the ND filter, lens cup. You know, everyday use. That's the thing that I use every day, so I just put it there, as you can see. So let's move on over here. So I have this remote control for my LED. As you can see, I can change colors if I like the mood of a purple. I don't know, it's just purple. Yeah, purple, light blue, cyan, I don't know what you call that one, red. I really like red when you're into gaming, you know, FPS gaming. And I really like putting it to red. When I'm editing, I put in the blue one. If I'm kind of music mood, I changed it to purple. So there you go guys. I'll just change it to cyan or blue, something what you call this one. And the next one is I have, yeah, from the last episode, the Ikea. As you can see in the real life, that's how tiny it is. There you go. I have some miniature Volkswagen van. It's a travel van. It's very popular. Next thing is I have this, yeah, the wireless headset. You know, the thing I like wireless headset because when you stand, for example, you're going to the bathroom. When you have a wired headset, you need to remove that headset first before you can go straight to the bathroom. Unlike when you're having a wireless headset, you can bring that to the bathroom and still have your sound on, your music on. So you can go immediately to the toilet without removing your headset. So that's the thing I like on wireless headsets. And yeah, the brand HyperX Cloudflight sounds good. The mic is good. It's really good guys. Check this out. By the way, I will put all the links in the description below for you guys to check this out. There you go. So next thing is mouse first. So I have a very popular mouse, G502. There you go, G502. I like this because it has many customizable buttons. It has also an infinite scroll wheel. I have a Logitech TKL Pro keyboard. This is different because it's a Roamer G switches from Logitech. It doesn't have those Cherry MX or Cherry MX Blue switches as a regular Corsair, you know, Razer. I don't know if Razer have that one or they have a different. I don't know. I prefer this one. I like to pair with mouse and keyboard. So the next thing is I have this BM800 microphone. It's a budget microphone guys. It's really cheap, so it doesn't really perform well, but if this mic you pair with this Euphoria Behringer audio interface, it sounds good guys. It performs well. I know this Euphoria Behringer will cost you, but you know, if you're on a tight budget, try this BM800 and those audio interface. Very nice, yeah, very good quality. Trust me guys, trust me. So next thing is I have this gaming monitor. It's 144 hertz, 1ms. This is Asus VG248 QR. The updated one is a FreeSync. So the last version was a G-Sync I think, yeah. So this is the updated version. If you're on the gaming, this works perfectly. But if you're into editing, don't buy this. Trust me, don't buy this. The color accuracy is not good, you know, because this is a gaming monitor. As you can see, it's a TN panel, it's not IPS. So next one is I have a Logitech C930E webcam. I like this webcam because it has a wide angle view, unlike to C920, C922 that it has just a standard view. So I like this one. I think this is cheaper than the C922 if you're on a budget. If you like wide angle view, and if you're on a budget as well, check this out. And I have a fan here, a mini fan, because sometimes it gets warm here, so I need to buy a fan. Next thing is I have this custom built laptop. This thing, guys, powers all my things over here: the lights, the monitor, the audio interface, mouse, you know, everything. That laptop is very powerful. I know that you think that CPU over there at the back powers all of this. No, you're wrong. This laptop powers all the things over here. There you go. By the way, no CPU on the back. I didn't use that for now because I'm planning to buy a latest GPU to pair with that, because I'm trying to build what do you call this? What do you call the thing that sleeper CPU, sleeper build? You know, that kind of thing that it has some old processor, old things, I mean old look, but it's very powerful inside. That's the thing I want. So for now I don't have a budget, so I did not buy a GPU for that one, so it stays there. Maybe sooner I will buy, but for now, no. Maybe next year. Yeah, so yeah, this is my desk over here. This is a 200 cm desk from Ikea, as you can see on my last episode. And as you can see, there's a cable management down there. I will show you guys. There you go. As you can see over there, I have the power brick of my laptop. That thing, you know, is huge for a laptop. That's why it's very powerful, because it has that power brick that is huge. See, it fits, you know, it's the same size with my hand. If you do it like that, there you go. That's my cable management. That's my LED strip. I wrap those up or under my desk to have that light. And that's all, guys. So I will switch now to my not first person view, my vlogging view. Yeah, there you go, guys, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. And yeah, maybe in the next episode I will just show you the updates of this one, all the things that I'll be buying and put it here. I'll update maybe some things, some parts over here. And yeah, just keep on tuning in, guys, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button down there over there. Hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. I appreciate if you subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. And that's all for this video. God bless. Bye. Oh, hello again, guys. By the way, I missed this thing, you know. I've showed you this on the intro, but yeah, I really forgot. So right now I'm recording this one. So yeah, that's my clock over there. My Avengers poster. I'm not really a die-hard fan, but I really like Avengers movie. I've watched all the series of Avengers, you know. There you go. The Infinity War posters. And PUBG, as you can see, I played PUBG. Suicide Squad, Harley Quinn. I like Harley Quinn. There you go. Stranger Things. I'm waiting this on March. I hope that's true, because since 2017, I think, the season 2. Season 2 was on 2017, and the season 3 is this year, guys. I'm waiting for this one. There you go. I have some tripod over there. There you go, my flip-flops. I don't know if that's a flip-flops. I don't know what do you call that one. It's a sleeper for me. And yeah, that's my family photo, my girlfriend, as you can see right there. And this is, by the way, this is the Dota 2 replica I got from Dota 2. There you go. And Jesus.